We're talking about morphographs, and morphographs are the smallest unit of identifiable meaning in a word. Now, these, of course, are base words. We're not going to review those. I'm thinking by now you know what these words mean. But I do want to take a quick little review of what these suffixes and prefixes mean. Does anybody remember what ing stands for? These are on your notes from yesterday. Chase?
When you do something?
When you do something. I shouldn't even write this up here for y'all. Make y'all remember it. So then, pressing means what, Chase?
When you pressing?
When you press. Remember, you start at the end of the word and work to the beginning. David?
Again.
Again, very good. So if you reform, what does it mean, David?
Form again.
Excellent. You go at the end of the word to the beginning. So what is lightness?
That which is light.
Excellent. And then, even though it looks like able, it's pronounced able. What does able mean? Ian?
Able to be done.
Able to be...
Done.
Right. Able to be... So if the apartment is rentable, it means...
Able to be rented.
Okay. Here's the game. You've got 3 minutes on the timer. Your group has 3 minutes to get your paper, get a marker, combine as many of these morphographs together as you can on this sheet of paper. Sit down, making it fair, making it fair. I will start counting it down, but when the timer goes off, your paper must be on the board or it is disqualified. You are only sending one person from the table, so decide who it is. Those people stand up. Go.
Press less.
Wonderless.
Smaller.
Lightless. Crashing.
Right. You're right so fast.
I know. Yeah, crashing.
Rushing.
No, what are you doing?
Relight.
2 minutes.
Taking.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, we had catching.
Unformedless. Unformed.
Dullless.
Remember, the words have to be spelled correctly, and you have to be able to define them. And if I can't read it, I'm not counting it. 1 minute, 30 seconds.
Time goes by fast.
What is this fine? Is it like a ticket fine or what?
You can use it however you want to, as long as you can define the word.
Oh, that looks
You're
like
at
an
40 seconds.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks like an animal.
Unhappy.
30.
Go.
20. You still have time to write words. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Okay. The way that we're going to score this, quiet. Quiet.
Look at that.
Why are they disqualified?
It ain't straight. Look at that.
Hold on, I need to find some more magnets. Okay. You need to send, just remember, listen to it. You need to send an emissary from your table because what's going to be happening? Here's how the scoring works. Here's how the scoring works. You will send a person up from your table. We are going to start on this list. Their first word is careless. So far, they're doing good because it's spelled correctly. Does any other group have careless?
Yes.
Sure.
If you were standing up here at your paper, you would mark it off. They don't get credit for that word. We move on. Let's pretend that nobody else has backless. For them to get a point for this word, they would actually have to be able to define it. Whose paper was this? Ours. How would you define backless?
Backless, without back.
All right. Without back, check. They would keep the word. So let's send your scorers up here. Everybody at the table is responsible for defining. All right. Now, we'll collect those in a minute. Now, people at the tables, you're going to have to be quiet because you're listening to see if you wrote this word down, okay? Careless. Does anybody have careless? All right.
Yeah, we got it.
Mark it out, mark it out. Your next word is unformed. Define it. 5,
Not formed.
Not formed. Get it. Backless. Does anybody have it? All right, get rid of it. Likeable. Misspelled, you have to drop the E. Underneath it. Notable. Misspelled, you have to drop the E. Unhuman.
If we didn't drop the E, we get a point.
When we get to you, if the E's not dropped, we'll hold on to it. All right, unhuman. So if you can define it, nobody else has it, spelled correctly, you'll get the point for it. Unhuman's off the board. Finest. Nobody has it. Can you define it?
The most fine.
Excellent. Quietest. Oh, you have finest? Get rid of it. Quietest. Nobody has it?
Oh, they have
Define
it.
it. Oh, they have it. Get rid of it. Usable. Nobody has it. Can you define it? Up. Get rid of it. Careless. All right, get rid of it. Rentable. I see it. Mark it off. Reform.
Chris, it's the second one on the last. Second to last. Second to last on the last.
Reform. You have reform? No, that's a different word. Does anyone have reform? All right, mark it off. Renameable. Okay, define it.
Able to be named again?
Starting at the end, able to be named again. Perfect, you get it. Nameless. Define it.
Without a name.
Excellent. Unpressable.
We have that.
All right, get rid of it. Pressable.
Yes.
All right. Unname. Unname. I don't see them marking it off. Unname. Can you define it?
Not a name.
Unname. Well, name's a verb, so it means like to not name. I'll let you keep it. All right, let's look at the results. We have got 14, 27, 15, 22, and 12 with an unprecedented 27. This team is the winner. Give them a round of applause. Be good sports. All right.